This is just a quick video on modifications of overflows. We're currently using that one, but it's not skimming like this one used to do, and sometimes fish get stuck over here and clogs the drain, making the tanks overflow. So basically we came out with that, where the water will overflow and it'll skim, but this thing is kind of ugly, so we got these drain protectors or whatever they're called, and we are going to modify them to make it like that. So basically the tool I'm going to be using for this is an oscillating multi-tool. It's my DeWalt oscillating multi-tool. One of my favorite tools to use. I need to cut this section off and holes over here. If you're not comfortable with using the oscillating tool, be very careful, because if it slips, it's going to cut your hand. That's why I have this glove over here. After cutting it, I make the sides a little bit more even so that it'll actually slide into the elbow. Let's see what's going on with this elbow. I cut it so that it'll use up as little space possible. So now I'm going to go on to cutting the sides over here. I don't know how this video is going to turn out because I don't have the front facing camera, but basically you can start off slow. Make it all nice and smooth. Cutting on this side too. Once you get the hang of the tool, it's very easy to use. Not dangerous at all, at least I think. Clean out all the stuff on the inside, and then we'll be able to put this in the fish tank. So let me show you. That's what it looks like, and when we put it back into the tank, we'll get the skimming action with a top cover still. And that is our overflow modification. See it in action over here. You get a nice skim, and it's still covered so that, you know, if something happens with a fish, it can't get stuck on the overflow.